to our video. This is the sad video. It's our last time ever opening these. They sold out at Costco. No!
Sams Club, not Costco.
No. Well, Mr. Snowaxio, our favorite fan, where he's gonna open with us, right, buddy? Yeah.
Yep, our favorite fan.
He's voice in his YouTube videos.
Yeah.
Number one fan right
you
here.
Some nice Mewtwo cards.
Hopefully he's watching this video, and you probably know who he is if he's watching this video. His YouTube channel, I think,
He
is
might
literally
even
called
comment on
Snorlax.
this
So if he is watching
It's
this video,
Snowaxio.
You might even comment on
well,
this
if he even sees the word Snorlax.
We love you so much.
Yes, we're opening this right now, so.
And he's opening first.
I thought that was really good.
So guys, we're
Next
doing
video, me. And
This week?
Next video, him.
this week. You'll see all three of these events.
Yep.
This one, and this one, and then some others.
Can I give you luck?
Nah, man.
Remember, but I put Battleground on.
And you showed that luck.
Dude, that bad luck.
Did you even
I put Repeko V.
Hey, be quiet. In the last three videos, did you pull one V card? Yeah, be quiet.
It's a war.
Roasted. If I can open this, I can even grab it. Nope, stop.
Oh, this is heavy. This is heavier.
And guess what?
I think there's actually 4 packs. I'm not sure. It felt way heavier.
The Premier Ball. We got box. We're not gonna throw the box because.
So random thought. What is it? January, February? I've lost track of time.
February 5th.
The post is probably gonna be like April.
We've had this.
When we post this, it'll be February 20th something.
Yes, probably be
No,
February.
not February 20th. Probably like April.
I forgot what time existed, but we got these in like December. Now it's February.
Oh my God, we got it in
For
January.
this very
No,
special
actually
vid.
February though.
Oh, you didn't.
Special vid, buddies.
It was January, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, it was because I never ran out. It would be nice if I could open it. I wonder how it feels like to open
My
this.
birthday is literally in really long. It's about a year, but not. It feels like a year. It'll be. It's gonna be close to a year.
Dude,
my
I am
birthday.
doing as much damage.
His is in like May something.
The
Okay,
sun
oh my God,
is
May 14th?
blinding.
And yours is
blind from
in
the
December
sun.
2nd? No.
What?
I don't know. It's in December. And mine's
Oh, it's
October
in December!
14th. Wait, October 14th? Super Drag 14th?
Wednesday.
That's actually really random.
Okay.
Ooh.
We have the packs. We
Evolution.
have
Ooh. There's a
coin. Okay, nobody cares for the packs. We care about this coin, guys. This coin is
Yeah.
the coolest thing. We have 4 of these.
but it's still cool. Very
Okay, we got Evolutions, Sunny Moon, and guess what? Our favorite, Primal Clash.
guys.
Let's do the dance.
Oh, dear.
Not bad.
I created it.
The Trump
It's
dance.
Whatever I decided.
It's whatever Mom decided. She made it.
Yeah, Mom made it. Yeah, but you be quiet.
I put my finger in his nose.
Nice.
Wait, what? Sorry. What just happened?
At night, I put my finger in
Okay,
your nose.
the tin.
Oh, wow.
We got Ultra Prism, Burning Shadows. Ooh.
Is that evolutions? It's evolutions.
Evolutions.
Yes.
And we got 2 Sword and Hey, we got Zacian and Zemenzenta.
We didn't get
Okay.
Wait, what?
Yeah, we got Zacian and
cool.
Zemenzenta.
Wait, we didn't
I only have these. Oh wait, we got code card too.
show the
I guess our mom will just do those, take them out because I don't know how to. Okay, we'll give her mom sleep so she can do that in the background. Okay, so let's start getting into the packs. That was pretty clean. I went like this. I went like. Let's start getting into the packs.
Awesome.
Well, I'm not
Remember
in the
Jake
background.
pulled 2 of the Lucario coins in one?
Yeah, okay, let's start
remember
getting
that.
into the packs. Bring the camera
You
towards
really
me.
wanna get to the
Somebody bring the
packs.
camera towards me.
Come on! Don't touch the camera like I do.
Don't touch the lens.
Don't be like Anki.
Or you can just open it like this.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wait, why am I not? Okay, so
Evolution blindfold.
yeah.
What?
Every evolution's.
Yeah,
you
we
can't
always do
see.
evolutions blindfolded.
Okay, guys, he's gonna be cracking into his packs. First on the moon, sword and shield, sword and shield.
This is not actually, yeah, it is something.
Something,
I thought you said
something.
sword and shield. I thought you said this one was sword and shield.
Not
for a
at all.
second.
That's a sword and shield.
Whoa!
got
Okay, so you guys could definitely probably.
Did you just do 5?
No, I did not.
Don't you hate it when you're
Okay.
too lazy to charge the camera and then
Fighting
all the viewers
energy.
can see the cord?
Okay, wait.
That's scary.
We got the cord back there, and you guys can't even see it. I don't know what that is. Energy, Grambo,
It's a charging
Paris, Chinchu, Roland, Rattata, Roggenrola, Marini, Versal Stallion, and wait, is that hollow? Oh, it is. Gigalith, Holographic.
Remember, it's white and green. If you pull like a card like that, it's always hollow.
Wait a
Yeah, I
minute.
thought it wasn't hollow.
It's
For a
Snorlax.
second.
Here, okay.
It's
Yeah,
Snorlax right
Yeah,
there.
we love you.
What? Oh, he must have been
It's
thinking. He was like this.
Snorlax. No, whenever he sleeps, he's like
How's he sleep?
this.
2, 3, 4, 5,
Perfect. He was
6,
sleep
7.
down.
He's normally on a tree like that.
Yeah, A.
Did you get away?
Mudsdale.
Or did you
Energy. Trainer card.
He,
Willfish.
Did he
Trainer
I
card.
wasn't paying attention.
I did.
Wait,
Screw
did-
Bunny.
okay, good.
Silicobra.
I was about to grab it.
Amber.
We
Grookey. Koufant. Reverse Hollow Reboot. I did 5 to the front. So if you're wondering why there wasn't a rare, because I did 5 to the front. So Mudsdale was the rare. Squeaky camera. Dude, I thought it'd be nice so I could open this.
Hey, everybody.
Ooh.
Ooh.
R.I.P. Charizard.
What's happened to Charizard?
Charizard has
We're on a
fallen.
rescue mission, guys. We're on a rescue mission.
Okay, I know our mom could see it, and you guys probably see it too. Okay, there we go.
We rescued Charizard.
You got Fire Energy, Quick
Hopefully, you
Ball.
pull that gold card.
I don't know what that is.
No,
Okay, we got Daughter, Rhyhorn, Clobbopus, Goldian, Roselia, Ghastly, Versal Diglett, and Lapras VMAX Rainbow Rare!
Rainbow Rare!
That looks so sick!
I'll be right back. Gonna go grab a Hurricanes.
Whoa!
We should bring Snorlax in more often.
Yeah!
Look.
We love you, Snorlaxio. No.
Okay. Oh my.
Bro, that is so sick.
The Lapras VMAX Rainbow.
Bro, the neck.
Lapras.
The neck looks cool.
VMAX.
Bro, just look at the neck.
Incredible.
Whoa.
I
I
think
don't
the
know
neck
what
is
that
my
was.
least favorite part about it.
What? This neck's
I like it like
beautiful.
Okay. Lapras VMAX.
Bro.
Okay. Yeah, so you guys haven't been seeing. We have not been doing one of you call it. We don't do like the recap because we feel like it takes too much time. I'm joking.
Don't show.
Code. Like, no, that wasn't good. Okay, nobody saw the code except for us. Okay. Okay, Psychic Energy. Trainer card.
just look
Strong Zong. Turtonator. The Lone Vulpix. Eevee. Murkrow. Yama. Pachirisu. Versal Rotom. And a Drampa. Hollow.
And do I
Graphic.
think we had a graphic?
Burning Shadows.
That could be.
Rainbow Rare Charizard.
Yep.
Yep. Rainbow Rare Charizard.
Okay, we have a little bit of luck.
Just a little bit of luck. Just a little bit.
Okay.
Well, it's
Water
really hard to pull
energy.
that, bro.
Okay, Super Scoop. Electabuzz. Self-Police. Death School Dabbing. Inkay.
Bro,
Stuffle.
just imagine you pulling the
Coroller. Merle. Versal, Scorpion. And a Zygarde Hollow. Let's count how many hollows I put. Zygarde Hollow. Okay.
3.
Okay, honestly, let's do this pack. Okay. Evolutions. We'll do this pack blindfolded. So
Every evolution is blindfold.
yeah.
This evolution is just cool blindfold.
Okay,
If you pull a Charizard, it's like it sounds like a Charizard. And you're
where's the
like,
code card? Which is the code
What?
card? This one? Yep. This one right here?
No, this right here.
Okay, this one right here. Okay. Okay, there. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Is it 3?
Yes, that's 3.
Wait, did you guys see the code? I wasn't paying attention.
Now put it to the front. Okay. Trainer, Magmar,
I gotta get it.
Growlithe, Onyx, Nidoran, Poliwag, Energy, Versatile Electabuzz, and the Pidgeot EX.
A Pidgeot.
I say it so quiet so you think you just pulled a Pidgeot.
A
A
Pidgeot.
Pidgeot.
Imagine
That's
it's
$10,
like
I think.
A Pidgeot.
Yeah, $10.
EX.
2 good pulls already.
Oh, that's nice.
Hey, and we got a pull out of
And
Evolution.
you got a whole bunch of hollows.
Other
I just
pack
remembered.
of Evolution.
Are you gonna do blindfold again?
That there's Primal Clash in this.
Okay, will the code card be like this, or will it be like
This one.
I gotta get up. Let's get
second? 1, 2, 3.
Take the code.
Seriously, Jago?
Okay.
I know what happened.
Trainer.
Well. Energy.
Energy.
Machoke.
Machoke.
Rattata. Caterpie. Magnemite. Voltorb. Sandshrew. Reverse Hollow Rattata and
A Mega Venusaur. Two good pulls out of Evolutions.
You have 2 of those now.
Yeah.
2 Mega Venusaurs.
Yeah, but one's full
One's
art.
full art. That is so
Whoa.
cool.
Evolutions blowing up for us. But yeah, the big card mass right there, guys. Yep.
Bro, pull through
Primal
all that.
class.
Just pull through all that and I'm gonna like lose my mind.
There's no way I.
It's always white and green, so
Yeah.
and you have to look. You have to look.
Yeah, I'm not doing blindfolded. It's
Yeah.
see white and green.
Yep, it's always white and green.
Yeah, because this is back then when every single code card was white and green.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Put it to the front.
Okay, our mom just put her eyes up like really big.
Something might happen, guys. What's gonna happen?
Okay. Trainer. Nidorino. Trainer card. Lotad. Meditite. Boofaloo. Horsey. Shinchu. Reversal Soul Rock. And. Ooh.
What is that?
Whoa.
What? A Gorbis. Legular rare. Not hollow, but pretty cool.
Whoa.
Very
Can't
cool.
see that up because I've never seen that in my life. Okay, outro!
Well, guys, if you ever find these anywhere, you must buy. Tell your mom.
If you though, I mean, I
Probably
don't know
never.
if they're actually around anymore. Possibly. I've never seen them anymore ever since.
I need a hard sleeve of that
That one's a
Premier Ball. Oh yeah, I don't know how to do that.
So.
Wait, did you say Hearts of the Premier Ball?
Just say hard sleeve. Wow. So, you know what we learned today?
Well, guys, we love you. See you in the next one. Haha. We're gonna
We
show you
learned
the cards.
Snorlax is luck. He's very lucky. We're gonna bring him to every video now. Buddy, you're gonna come to every video now. He was very lucky, so we have to bring him now.
Okay, guys. So, none of you guys told me.
What?
Nidoran is looks weird on the top. It's kind of when they shut the pack. It kind of cut their Nidoran.
Cut the Nidoran in half.
No, it didn't cut it. It just like mark on it.
Oh.
It's like when they were shutting the pack. It like did something to the card.
Oh, we didn't
Okay, I
know
think
that.
everyone knows it's her mom because the fingers. Well, they already.
Oh yeah, we already know. We've told it 10,468,000, 10,700,000.
Today's been a very successful day, very successful video. And guys, don't forget, we're on a journey to 1,000 subscribers so we can do giveaways. Whole ton of giveaways, even more giveaways and more.
Bye, guys. Love you. See you in the next one.
Thank
Bye.
you for watching. Please like and subscribe and cut.
Stop.
Bye, I guess already. Oh, you didn't do it.
Bulk
Okay.
cards.
You're probably wondering where Snorlaxia was. We were talking to for a few seconds, and he just went.
Bye.
Yeah.
It's a long story you don't want to know.